Hello everyone, welcome back to Old Geezer's Garage. Today I want you to see that I'm not a one-trick pony. I'm not in the garage either, I'm in my computer room. So I am going to upgrade my i5 CPU, which is in this computer now, and I'm going to put an i7 in there. So as you can see, I've already removed the side of this computer. This is an HP. And I've already loosened up these 4 screws here. So just need to reach right over here and unplug this plug that runs the fan on that heatsink. Okay. And you just pull this right on out of here. Okay. Now you got to reach, there's your CPU right there. So you got to push this down and slip it out. Then that comes up. Okay. Of course, I probably should have told you I'm grounding myself by touching the frame of the chassis here, the steel frame. Okay, so there's the actual processor. Now it's been out before, so that's why these 2 little marks are on there. So let me just reach in here and pull this out, which is just comes right out now. Okay. I was checking the orientation of the old one. So this i7 here just pops right in there like that. Yeah. Put that down. And we just slip this piece down here. That wire's kind of in the way. Slip it right under there. There you go. That takes care of that part. That's all there is to it, replacing a processor. Pretty simple stuff. Now, put this heatsink back on here. First thing I'm going to do is set it down there just like that. Reach over here and plug this power plug in. Now we'll tighten these 4 screws down in their proper place, which there it is. It locked right in. Look, old geezer can't do anything without cutting himself. That's all right. Okay. Oh yeah, and I did. I dropped my little hex. And it's a Torx that holds these screws down. So once I get it in the hole, there we go. Okay, there's one. Get all 4 started before I go too far. There we go. All right, that's 2. Okay. There we go. Number 3. And number 4. All right, so pretty simple. You see how it's done. You don't need to see me tightening up these screws here. You can if you want. I'm just gonna tighten everything down here. Okay. Uh-oh. Didn't have to do that, did I? That's okay. No harm done. And we got one more to go. Okay. So that is it. Make sure they're all, oh man, that thing keeps falling out. It's not magnetic. I don't want to. Put anything magnetic in here. So that is tight. Yep, already got that one tight. And there we go. Okay, so everything's tight. Power is plugged in. Now all I got to do is put the side back on and power this thing up. And I'll have an i7 processor in here. Of course, I did check earlier to make sure the sockets were the same and the BIOS was the same version, so I will be good to go. Thanks for watching, and if you like this, please subscribe. Even if you don't like it, subscribe, and you can fuss at me. So this has been saying goodbye from Old Geezer's Garage.